Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zeni Budiarti with MPM 2241163 from Management Class 22. Social Psychology and Influence of Behavior. Social psychology examines how people affect one another and it looks at the power of the situation. Social psychological assert that an individual's thoughts, feelings, and behavior are very much influenced by social situation. Essentially, people will change their behavior to align with the social situation at hand. If we are in a new situation or are unsure how to behave, we will take our cues from other individuals. Else, interpersonal topics that pertain to the individual include emotional and attitude, the self, and social cognition, the way in which they think about ourselves and others. Interpersonal topics that by pertain to Dane and group include helping behavior, aggressive prejudices, and discrimination, attractional and close relationship, and group process and intergroup relationship. Social psychology focuses on how people conceptualize and interpret situations and how this interpretation influences their thought, feeling, and behavior. These social psychological studies individual and unsocial contexts and how situation variable interact to influence behavior. In this module, we discuss the interpersonal process of the self-presentation, cognitive dissonance and attitude change, and the interpersonal process of conformity and obedience, aggressional and altruism, and finally, love and attraction. Situation and dispositional influence behavior. Behavior is product is of both the situation influence social role and the presence of burdens and of the person. Subfields of psychology tend to focus on the influence of behavior over other situations. Is the view that our behavior and action are determined of by immediate environment and surrounding. In the contrast, the position holds that our behavior is determined by internal factors in internal factor in as attribute of the person and includes personality, trait, and temperament. Social psychology have the tended to make the situation perfective, whereas personality psychology have promote and disposition perfective. Modern approaches to social psychology, however, take both the situation and the individual into account the studying human behavior. In fact, the field of social personality psychology has emerged to study the complex interaction of internal and situation factors that affect human behavior. Fundamental attribute error. In the United States, the fundamental cultural theme of favor a dispositional approach in the explaining human behavior. Why do you think this is? We tend to think that people are in control to their own behavior and therefore any behavior change must be due to something internal, such as their personality, habit, or temperament. According to same social psychology, people tend to overuse international factor as explanation and attribution for the behavior of other people. They tend to use them then the behavior of another person is a trend of that person, and to understanding met the power of the situation, the behavior of other, they tend to fail to recognize that by behavior of other is the situational variable and choose to be person state. This erroneous substitution is a call the fundamental attribute error. To be better understand, imagine this scenario: great return home from work and even opening the front door is happily greet him and inquires about this day. Instead of greeting this wife, Gray yells at their leave me alone. Why did Greg yell at this wife? How about some committing the fundamental attribution error explain Gray is behavior? The most common perfect is that Greg is a mean, angry, or unfriendly person distrained. This is an internal of the personal expansion. However, imagine that Greg was just a laid off from this job though this thing what your explanation for Greg's behavior changed. Your revision explanation might be that Greg was frustrated and disappointed for losing his job. Therefore, he was in a bad mood. This is an external or situation explanation for Greg's behavior. The fundamental attribute error is the powerful that people often overlook observational influence of the behavior. A classic example was demonstrated in the series of experience now as the demonstrate in the series of experiment how as the quiz study. Student participants were randomly assigned to play the role of the questioner, the quizmaster of the contents in a quiz game. Questioner deployment difficult question to which they knew the answer, and the present question of the contestant. The contestant answered the question correctly only for all the system after the text. The questioner and contestant were asked the rate to rate their all general knowledge compared to the average student. Questioner did not rate their general knowledge and higher than the contestant, but the contestant rate the question intelligence higher than their own. In a second study, observant of the interaction also rate the questioner as having more general knowledge and then the context, the option influence of performance in the situation. Thank you.